Hi everyone, it's Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're having a great day. I'm back today to share some dies that I picked out from Kokorosa Studio's online shop. So this is the first time that I'm guest designing for them, and I had so much fun looking through their shop. They have a really nice selection of dies and their prices are good. So I'll link their information in the description box below so you can check them out. So I picked out this really cute die set here. It's called Cart of Tulip Buds die set. So it makes a little flower cart, and I thought it would be so cute with the garden party. So yeah, I thought the little embellishments I made with this turned out so cute. So it makes the little flower cart with these pieces. This makes the wheels. You get some little leaves and then the tulip flowers and the tulip leaves right there. So there's that one. And then I picked out this memory dex card set. It makes a little handbag shaped memory dex card. So this is the base for the memory dex card, and then this makes like the handbag shape and pocket there. You get this piece here which makes like a little wallet or a pocket for the front of the handbag, and to me it just kind of looks like a policy envelope, like a little tiny policy envelope. And then you get the handle here with some little like grommets where the handle would be attached to the handbag. So there's that. And then I picked out this strawberry set here. It's called Heart-Shaped Strawberries, and I like the size on it. Really, really cute. So it comes with 2 strawberries, and it comes with these leaves here. And then this piece here cuts out the little strawberry tops. And this piece here, I'm not sure what it's supposed to be. So if you know, let me know in the comments, because yeah, I don't know if it's supposed to be like the little white flowers you see on the strawberry plant. I don't think it's meant to be like seeds because they're bigger than the ones on the die. But so yeah, so it comes with that little piece. I'm not sure exactly what it's for. And then I picked out this word die. It says sweet, and I think the font is really cute, and I like the size of the die as well. And then this one is a 5-pointed star die, and it makes a really cute shaker because it cuts out the center of the star, and I love the little smaller stars kind of hanging off the edges of the bigger star. So I thought that was different, and I just really liked it. I like the design on that. So those are the dies that I picked out, and I'll go ahead and share some of the little projects I made. So first off, I made a couple of memory dex cards using the handbag die as the base. So here's the back. You can see it a little bit better. I just cut each of these pieces twice, and I layered it so this one would be a little bit sturdier. And then I just kind of sandwiched this part in between this here, and I think it's cute because it makes a little pocket right there where you can put something in your little handbag. And then just did some stitching, added some enamel drops right there, enamel bling, and some little trim down here. I used the strawberries right there and the word sweet, and I think it's so cute. I really like that. Love the little handbag shape. And here's another one. So this one's pretty much the same, just different papers on the front and more gold stitching and enamel dots there. This time I used a little gold scallop trim right there, and I layered some tulle, the strawberries, and the word sweet. So there's the other one. And then for the little flower carts, oh my gosh, I had so much fun adding all the little flowers and just dressing them up. I think they're so cute. Super cute and fun for the garden party paper collection too. So I just made the little flower cart using some gold foil paper here, a little bling on the wheel, and I just added some little flowers for my stash, and I used a tiny little flower punch that I have to punch out the little gold flower centers there, some Nouveau drops, and here's the little green leaves that comes in with the die set. I did not use the tulips on these, and then just added some tulle on the back there. So there's that one. And then I made this one here, which I think is my favorite. So cute. I love this bee, the little chipboard bee from the paper collection. So this time I used some glitter cardstock for the handle and like base of the flower cart, and some more little flowers, and layered it up pretty much the same way. And then for this one, same thing, just different chipboard. I did a little butterfly there with some gold stitching, the word grow, and more tulle, and just layered it up. So you can have fun, lots of fun just doing these, different, depends on what you add to the layers, and decorate them up. And then this one here is I don't know, I thought it would just be cute to make the star shakers, and then I added it to a ticket base here that has some little tulle as a layer there too. And then I thought I could put these as a bag topper, or on some smaller size cards, like birthday cards or graduation. So yeah, I just created the little star shaker right there. The sequence mix is from a giveaway that I went on Instagram, and it's from Supreme Glitter Queen. So I was happy to finally use her really cute sequence mix there. Then I added the word shine. On this one I added foam just underneath to pop that up. Some ephemera. And I thought these were so cute. And I did use the all heart for the ticket, but I had already cut out the stars using garden parties. So, but I think it goes really well with this one, with the all heart. So there's that one. And then I made a second one here, pretty much the same, just this time I used the hot pink glitter paper for the star, and more of the cute shaker mix. And this time on the word shine, instead of adding the foam, I just layered it twice with pink and silver paper to kind of give it a little shadow. And that's it. So those are my projects, you guys, for the Kokorosa Studio. I will put everything in the description box below. So let me know what you think about these little projects, and leave me a comment. I love reading your comments, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Bye, guys.